The ocean depths, a realm of mystery, vast unexplored hiding secrets. One secret, however, is so colossal, so potentially devastating, it demands our attention. Deep beneath the Atlantic, off the coast of North America, slumbers a giant. The Appalachi Caldera, a volcano of unimaginable power, waits. Silent for now, but capable of unleashing chaos upon the world. We often think of volcanoes as towering mountains, spewing fire and ash. Appalachia defies this image. Hidden from sight, its danger lies not in its height, but in its potential. A potential that rivals, even surpasses, some of the most feared volcanoes on Earth. This is the story of Appalachia, the sleeping giant. A tale of discovery, of immense power, and the delicate balance between awe and fear. A story that reminds us of nature's raw energy and the importance of understanding the forces that shape our planet. The Appalachi Caldera wasn't always hidden. It once stood as a formidable volcanic island, a beacon of fiery activity in the vast ocean. Millions of years ago, it likely broke the ocean's surface, a towering structure of molten rock and ash. A volcanic island spewing lava and ash, it was a force of nature, reshaping the landscape with each eruption. But the relentless forces of plate tectonics and erosion had their way. The island was slowly worn down, its fiery peaks crumbling under the weight of time. Over eons, the volcano sank beneath the waves, its fiery breath extinguished, its presence seemingly erased from the surface of the earth. Yet, its story didn't end there. The remnants of this colossal volcano lay hidden, waiting to be discovered. In the early 21st century, scientists mapping the ocean floor made a startling discovery. Using advanced sonar technology, they uncovered something extraordinary. An enormous, crater-like depression miles across scarred the seabed. It was unlike anything they had seen before. Further investigation revealed the truth. They had stumbled upon a caldera, a massive volcanic crater. The remnants of a volcanic eruption of unimaginable scale, a testament to the raw power of nature. This wasn't just any caldera, it was a geological marvel, a sleeping giant beneath the waves. The size, the structure, the location, it all pointed to a volcano of extraordinary power. A volcano that once dominated the landscape. A volcano capable of producing eruptions that dwarf anything witnessed in human history. Its eruptions would have been cataclysmic, altering the climate and reshaping the Earth. The sleeping giant, once lost to time, had been found. Its discovery was a monumental moment in geological history, and with its rediscovery came a chilling realization. Appalachia could awaken again. The forces that once silenced it could stir once more, bringing the colossus back to life. The discovery of Appalachia sent shockwaves through the scientific community, shaking the very foundations of what we thought we knew about volcanic activity. Its size alone was staggering, dwarfing many known volcanoes and challenging our understanding of geological formations. But it was the comparison to Yellowstone that truly set alarm bells ringing, raising questions about the potential risks and impacts. Yellowstone, a supervolcano in the United States, is a source of both fascination and fear, known for its breathtaking beauty and terrifying power. Its eruptions are legendary, capable of blanketing continents in ash and triggering global climate change, altering the course of history. And Appalachia, the new kid on the block, seemed to be its equal, perhaps even its superior in terms of potential impact. While Yellowstone's eruptions are massive, Appalachia's potential power is thought to be even greater, posing a significant threat. The underwater location adds another layer of complexity, making it harder to monitor and predict. Eruptions beneath the ocean can trigger tsunamis, giant waves capable of devastating coastlines thousands of miles away, causing widespread destruction. The thought of Appalachia erupting, unleashing both volcanic fury and the ocean's wrath, is a sobering one, reminding us of nature's unpredictable power. It's a stark reminder of the immense power that lies dormant within our planet, waiting to be unleashed at any moment, changing the world as we know it. The fiery abyss, birth of a caldera. To understand the threat Appalachia poses, we need to delve into the heart of a volcano, exploring its very essence and the forces that drive its creation. Volcanoes are born from the Earth's molten core, where magma under immense pressure seeks a path to the surface, driven by the relentless forces of nature. When this molten rock erupts, it creates volcanoes of various shapes and sizes. Calderas, however, are different, unique in their formation and impact. They aren't formed by the gradual buildup of volcanic material over time, but through sudden and dramatic events. Instead, they are born from cataclysmic events, moments of extraordinary geological upheaval. When a volcano erupts with extraordinary force, it can empty its magma chamber faster than it can be replenished, leading to a significant geological transformation. The result is a void beneath the Earth's surface, a cavernous space left by the retreating magma. This void can't withstand the weight of the overlying rock, and the surface collapses inward, creating a massive crater, the caldera, a testament to the power of volcanic forces. The process is violent, rapid, and utterly destructive, reshaping the landscape in an instant. The eruption that formed Appalachia must have been a spectacle of unimaginable power, forever scarring the Earth's crust and leaving a lasting mark on the planet's geological history. When giants awaken, the potential fury of Appalachia. The sleeping giant slumbers, but for how long? Volcanoes are notoriously unpredictable. While Appalachia shows no signs of imminent eruption, the possibility, however remote, hangs heavy. What would happen if this underwater behemoth were to awaken? An eruption wouldn't be a localized event, it would be a global catastrophe. The immediate impact would be felt across the Atlantic. Tsunamis, towering walls of water would race outward, obliterating coastlines with unimaginable force. Cities would be reduced to rubble, swallowed by the sea's fury. But the devastation wouldn't end there. The eruption would inject massive amounts of ash and gases into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight, disrupting air travel, and potentially triggering global cooling. The very fabric of our climate, delicately balanced, would be thrown into disarray. The consequences would be felt for years, perhaps decades. Guardians of the deep keeping watch on the giant. The potential threat posed by Appalachia is very real, but it's not a cause for panic, but rather a call to action. Scientists around the world are working tirelessly to understand this underwater giant. Sophisticated monitoring equipment is being deployed to track even the slightest tremors, changes in water temperature, and gas emissions. By studying Appalachia, we can learn to better predict its behavior, perhaps even anticipate an eruption before it occurs. Early warning systems are being developed, giving coastal communities precious time to evacuate and minimize the loss of life. The knowledge we gain from studying Appalachia can be applied to other volcanoes around the world. By understanding the behavior of these giants, we can better prepare for their fury, mitigating the risks they pose to humanity. The call for global vigilance, our shared responsibility. Appalachia, the sleeping giant, serves as a stark reminder of the awesome power of nature. It's a power we can't control, but one we must respect. The threat it poses is not a reason for despair, but a call for global cooperation. Monitoring a volcano of this scale requires a coordinated international effort. Data must be shared, resources pooled, and expertise combined. Only by working together can we hope to unravel the mysteries of Appalachia and other volcanoes like it. Our planet is a dynamic, ever-changing place. Volcanoes, earthquakes, and other natural disasters are a part of its fabric. By embracing science, fostering collaboration, and prioritizing preparedness, we can face these challenges with greater resilience and safeguard the future of humanity. The sleeping giant may one day awaken, but when it does, we must be ready.